Hey, welcome in. This is OhioJimbo. Now, if you came from a short, thanks for watching one of the shorts and coming over and joining us here. If you just found us through search, well, thank you for tuning in and finding out what we're about here, because we're about just learning guitar, acoustic guitar, and having fun. It's not about any kind of real heavy technical expertise or anything. It's just about having fun doing it and learning the simple basics of playing the guitar. There's a lot that goes into it. It's overwhelming at times, but if you just let it be simple, it'll let you take it along. So, we got a lot of songs to do, and I want you to join me with a couple of these songs. Let's just kind of get into it. I'll tell you, people always want to hear fun songs they can sing along with. That's really one of the key things. So you got to find the songs that kind of give that little chant. This one here is kind of it's a bluesy song, but at the same time, it kind of got pop rocked. It's by Wilson Pickett, but it is called Mustang Sally. And this is kind of cool because it's kind of a story about a guy wanting a really cool car and doing what he can to get the love of another woman. But the key part about this is, it is literally C, F, and G. There's a couple little trills in there. We'll go through those, but it is really a simple song. The key thing about this one is letting the cadence take you. In other words, when the lyrics come around, everybody says, when do you change chords? You'll know it, you'll feel it. Wilson Pickett knew how to do it. He threw in some phrases in there. Don't worry about those. You just stay with the basics. So if you start in a C, you're going to get through a C, and then you're going to go F, back to C, and then to G. We can do some things. We'll take a G 7th. We can do a C, C 7th. But what we're going to do most is C, F, C, and G. Now I'm going to have big chords here so you can see what they are, right? So hopefully you're seeing them one side of me. Where are they? Where are they? Under there. So it all starts in that C, and you got to get that rhythm. So now if you notice, I'm lifting my fingers. You don't have to do that. You can down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, strum it. So once you get that rhythm going, then you Mustang Sally, girl, you better love your Mustang down. Go to F. Mustang Sally, baby, girl, you better slow your Mustang down. You've been running all over town. Woo. I'm gonna have to put your feet on the ground. Here's the part everybody loves singing along with this. All you wanna do is ride around, Sally, ride, Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around, Sally, ride, Sally, ride. Up to F. All you wanna do is ride around, Sally, ride, Sally, ride. Wait for it. All you wanna do is ride around, Sally, ride, Sally, ride. And one of these early mornings, I'm gonna have to put your fat feet on the ground. Now, I don't have those lyrics exactly right, but you'll see what it is. It's all about this rhythm. Let's try to go in the second verse here. I bought you a brand new Mustang. I'm talking about 1965. You come around, baby, signify, but you won't let me drive a Mustang Sally, baby. Girl, you wanna slow your Mustang down. One of these early morning, I'm gonna have to wipe your weeping eyes. Back to the chorus where everybody sings along. All you wanna do is ride around, Sally, ride, Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around, Sally, ride, Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around, Sally, ride, Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around, Sally, ride, Sally, ride. And one of these early mornings, I'm gonna have to wipe your weeping that is a fun song. Really easy. Wilson Pickett, Mustang Sally. So the Mustang Sally, the ride Sally ride just keeps people rolling. But it is so simple because you're doing a C, you're doing a G, and an F. So it is literally follow those 3 chords, and it's great because the C and the F like this, they kind of go together. Now this is an F. You can do a bar chord F if you're more comfortable, but listen, they're the same thing. So I go from C to F, C to G. Now the little tapping I do on the guitar is just gives it a little more emphasis. You can, you know, one of these early morning, I'm gonna have to wipe your weeping eyes. You can play it through. I just like to, gonna have to wipe those weeping eyes. And it comes down to that rhythm. Make this guitar a percussion instrument. Let it give the rhythm to the whole song. So that's an easy lesson. 3 simple chords, C, F, and G, and it makes this song fun, and it's a sing-along. People will sing along with it. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and we got plenty more coming up. So let me know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe so I can let you know when I post new videos. It's all about having fun, and that's what I'm gonna stick with. I'm not a pro, I'm not a super guitarist, not a great singer, and I don't remember lyrics, but I'll tell you what, I have fun playing the guitar, and you should too. So, this is OhioJimbo. If I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here, right?